Hi there, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Bosch dishwasher not starting. Let's dive in. The first issue may be the power supply issue. To resolve this, ensure the dishwasher is firmly plugged in, reset the circuit breaker if tripped, replace a damaged power cord, consult a technician if necessary. The second issue may be door not properly closed. To resolve this, remove any item obstructing the door seal. Close the door firmly until the latch clicks. If the door lock is broken or misaligned, replace it to ensure proper closure. The next issue may be control panel issues. To resolve this, unlock the control panel by pressing and holding the lock button for 3 to 5 seconds. Press the start button again firmly. If unresponsive, reset dishwasher by running off the power for 5 minutes and then restarting. The next issue may be water supply issue. To resolve this, fully open the water supply valve, straighten the inlet hose and remove any blockage. Deattach the water inlet filter, rise under running water and reinstall it. The next issue may be error codes displayed. To resolve this, address specific error codes like E24, clear the drain and hose, E15, inspect the base for water and clean the tray. Follow Bosch recommended steps for displayed error codes. The next issue may be software glitch or reset needed. To resolve this, press and hold the start button for 3 to 5 seconds to cancel the cycle. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker or unplug the dishwasher for 5 to 10 minutes. Restore power and test by starting a new cycle. If none of the above solutions work, you need to contact the support. Arrange a technician visit for professional diagnosis and repair. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.